Imagine a world without door hinges. Well, this world is reality for some people. They're pushing against a door to try and get it open, but no matter how hard they try, it never will. When I found out that there were people without door hinges, I was shocked. I wanted to help them, and so I did. Meet 23-year-old Jeremy. He tries to play guitar, but only half-heartedly. He even holds the guitar up the wrong way, stupid poor boy. Jeremy has no door hinges, and gets depressed very often for this reason. He believes he is worthless, and I agree. I'm very upset about it. His door hinges neighborhoodly. We're opening doors for you. Donate today.